footy's back and we're doing some snacks now. In every barbecue menu there are some godly sides, and one of those sides is mac and cheese. And my partner would always crave the store-bought microwave shit, and I just could not stand the smell of it. I found it absolutely horrid. The only way we were having mac and cheese was if it was a proper one. So here it is. Now we're going to give this ham a bit of a smoke before we get it in there. So we're going to turn this to about 150 degrees Celsius, and then we'll get our ham in. Right, our barb is at temp. Get our ham in. We'll see you in an hour. Oh yeah. Right, for our sauce we'll do about 75 grams of butter and about 10 grams of our tallow. Melt that down. We'll get in about a 1/3 cup of flour. Now that's thickened up, we'll start getting our milk in. I've got just over a litre, but I'm only going to pour it in small increments. We'll keep this on low to stir it up. Alright, once this starts to thicken up a bit, we'll get our cheese in. Yeah, 500 grams of your favourite cheese. We've also done about 100 grams of parmesan. We're not going to throw all of this in here because we're going to save some for the top layer. Probably save that for the top. Stir that in. Alright, this is thickening up nicely. We'll get it a little bit thicker and then we'll get our pasta in. Alright, we've got our ham out and we'll cube this up. Alright, so our sauce is ready. We'll throw in 2 jalapenos and 3 spring onions. Get our ham in. And our macaroni. Season with some salt and pepper. And a sprinkle of nutmeg. Transfer this into a dish. Oh yeah. And we'll sprinkle over our leftover cheese. We're also going to do a generous sprinkle of panko crumbs straight over top of our mac and cheese. Fucking beautiful. We'll get it in the smoker. So we've bumped our smoker up to 200 degrees Celsius and we'll slide it in next to our chicken wings. We'll see you in 40. Alright, let's have a look. Woo! That is fucking beautiful. Alright, we'll get it off to cool down. Alright, we'll let this cool down for 5 minutes and then we'll plate up. One take. So here it is. One take. I rehearsed it all. Fuck's sake. Oh. Got both of them. Oh. Watch the camera, you idiot. Oh. Oh, f***. Can you come and stir this? I gotta pee. Just a little bit.
What do you have to pee?
I just wanted to sip my beer. Oh, I just pissed on the leaf and it flicked up in my foot. Look at the fly just on my f***ing hand. Get off! I didn't drop it, it's a f***ing flies! F*** off! We are right. Oh my god. Ah! Fire it out. F off, man. You look, I'm just about to grab this on my mac and cheese. F you. Flies. Oh my god. I just grabbed the fly out of this mac and cheese.
You don't put that in the video.
Ah, it's gonna be another one.
What is so?
So we're a little bit late with the footy snacks, but what are you eating for the footy?